Berets are back this season and they are not here to play. They are literally here to stay. If you guys would like to see how I personalize my different type of berets that I got from different places, and also how to win everything in this box, yes, everything in this box, do stay tuned.
Always looks greener. Forget the world. Put my two middle fingers up to the universe, babe. It's all about.
Hey guys, welcome back to Just Promise Vlog. It's your girl Promise Bakari. Hope you guys have been well. Thank you so much for stopping by on my channel. I am going to be showing you guys how to personalize all your different berets so that they are more you, they are more personal. They are back this season with literally everybody and anybody, that's anyone wearing them. I have some in leathers, I have the wool ones because they're super cute and they come in different colors. I am going to be showing you guys a couple of DIY tricks you can use to hack into this bad boys and make them more yours. So in order to DIY them, I have some patches. These are so basic stuff you can actually get from eBay as long as you do your research. So I have this really beautiful rose applique patch. I have a couple of the gold ones and a couple of the smaller ones. You can buy all of these from eBay. So you need those. You need some scissors in case you're doing some cutting. Like the rose one is quite long and I might not be able to do it all around, so I might be doing some cuttings. In terms of putting them together on the actual fabric, I have some glue gun. The hot glue gun I find is the most easiest for me because I am super lazy and I like things that are super cute and fast. But if you are not like me and you're not lazy, then I would say definitely get you some threads and needle to sew yours instead because they would hold a lot firmer. If you are using the hot glue gun, you need an iron as well to kind of press it all down. That I will be showing you. And for the giveaway, which the winner will be announced in the first week of March, if you like to get in the competition to win everything in this box, I would not be saying every single item in this box because I did the last time. Do click on the link below in this video after you finish watching this video, of course, and see how you can win and whatever is in this box as well to win. And yeah, I will stop rambling off and we can have fun DIYing some berets. To get started, of course, you need your berets. I got mine from eBay for $2.99. I'm only DIYing on the wool berets because they're so cute and they would look so much better with DIY. I feel like the leather berets don't need anything added to them. They come with their own personality and character. Another technique I didn't mention earlier is the glue. I will be using fabric glue as well as the hot glue gun and the sewing technique, which will be the three techniques I'll be showing you guys in this video. To get started with the first technique, which is the sewing technique, you're going to need your patches. In my case, I'm using the rose applique because I feel like it will work really well with the black one, and some sewing needles. You just need to make sure you hold it right in the right places. I usually just go for the right edges of them and before you start sewing. If not, it start moving around and when you sew it would not lay flat.
It doesn't matter what they think about us, 'cause I want you. It's all about us. It doesn't matter what they say about us, 'cause I want you and you want me too. You've got my heart and they don't understand.
Before I start my stitches, I like to knot my thread as much as possible because that way it doesn't actually go through the wool as I'm sewing. And also to start your stitching, I would say definitely start from the inside. You don't want the knotted part showing through when you finish with your stitching. Keep the stitches as close to each other as possible so it doesn't show out on the front. Keep in mind that you only need to stitch around the edges. You actually don't need to stitch every single thing, so just stitch around the edges and you will be fine.
It doesn't matter what they say about us.
For the second method, which is using the hot glue gun, you need to make sure to have your hot glue gun on for at least a good 10 minutes and your iron on for a good 10 minutes before starting. Like you can see, I'm gluing the edges. Again, the focus is on the edges. Stick it down and make sure it stays firmly before using the iron to press it down and just secure it even better.
And you know I need.
I'm gonna repeat this method using the rest of my patches until I'm happy with exactly how the beret is looking. And when you're happy with the result, you stop. That's all to it. I didn't need to film the rest of it because that would take forever, so I'm just gonna show you guys the rest I'm adding. So it wasn't until I went far into filming this last technique, which is the gluing technique, that I realized I've been using the PVA glue instead of the actual fabric glue. Please use a fabric glue. As you can see, I struggled because I had the wrong glue in this technique. To apply the glue onto my patches, I'm using a Q-tip or a cotton bud just to spread it out really evenly, and because you don't want this to be bumpy in the middle, so you need to spread out your glue evenly when applying your glue. And please use a fabric glue. Once that is done, it's time to move on to the next stage, which is actually now putting the patchworks where you want them to be and using an iron to press it all down. As you can see, because again I have the wrong glue, I will have difficulty sticking this down. It just won't stick properly. It's not a fabric glue. If you have a fabric glue following exactly the same technique, this will work perfectly fine for you and you would not have any of the problems I had. There you have it, guys. That is how simple and effective these techniques can work, and I'm gonna be showing you guys what they look on now. Have fun.
Where the other side always looks greener. Forget the world. Put my two middle fingers up to the universe, babe. It's all about.
So I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. I had so much fun putting it together because I was just feeling like, you know, the French girl fashion, feeling all kind of cute and special. But I do really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you guys think of it, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to check out all the videos on my channel, and do not forget to join in the giveaway for your chance to win the goodies I showed you earlier. If you'd like to know what is up for grab for winning as well, click on the description below and you will see the link to the video for the giveaway, the TLCs, why the giveaway is happening, and what is up for grabs. Let me know what you guys think of this video. As usual, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, to share with your loved ones, to also subscribe and check out more videos on my channel. Thank you guys so much again for stopping by, and I'll speak to you lovely people real soon. Mwah.